What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Emmy back here with another video. Now today, guys, first of all, we gotta figure out why the Miata's not starting. We've tried jumping it, didn't work. You turn the key over, nothing happens. The radio doesn't light up, nothing lights up. So it appears like the battery's dead. And then you try to jump it and it doesn't, still nothing happens. Let me show you guys. We start the wagon. Got this all connected just fine. We got those connected correctly. And then you wanna give it a try?
No.
Oh.
Never mind.
What'd you do? What'd you do while I was gone?
One of my fuses was loose.
What? It was loose?
Yeah, hold on. Let's go take a walk to the engine bay.
What the hell? Alright, what do we got? What do we got going on over here?
That still doesn't make any sense. It was just this fuse, which is my fan. Okay.
I don't know, man. I don't know. We're not mechanics, and this wasn't scripted. So, on to the rest of the video, boys. What? On to the rest of the video, boys. Let's do it. Alright, we have decided to take a road trip. I have to move the wagon now that that thing started. We're going to the beach. Chase, Cece, Devin, Spencer, we're coming to say what's up. I think we're just going for the day unless we decide to spend the night. I'm just gonna toss my tools in the Miata. We should be good. Fill the tire up with air, and we'll be headed on our way. You ready? Yeah, a little beach trip? Let's do it. All right, here's us trying to take off the hardtop. Did you break your nail? I don't know what's happening. Very nice. Damn, no top on the Miata for today.
Tiny.
We gotta clear out all the stuffed animals.
They're staying with us.
They're staying with us? Oh my god. Alright. This soft top probably hasn't been lifted in like months. It's tinted brown. Oh my god.
Robbie did my tent, and then he just let all the water like go to the bottom.
Ew.
Yeah, it was kind of gross.
Where's the air pump? We gotta fill up your tire. Very sideways.
Your dad's gonna come in and be like, why is half of her car in the garage?
It's literally like that's half the weight of a Miata right there. Step 1. Step 2, we're gonna get the pump. We're gonna set it on the paint. Very nice. Step 3, screw this on. There's no cap. There's no cap. And then we're gonna press the on button. God dang it, I can't do this one. We gotta screw it on. We're gonna set it to like 37, and then we're gonna hit the on button. Now we wait. All right, we got our bag of tools. This literally weighs like 50, 60 pounds. So we got that all snug. Oil's good. Car is good. This tire is full now. Time to get some gas and be on our way.
Is that we? That's we. That's we. We need to get him.
Bro, go inside. We're on. It takes 8 hours to leave. Emmy forgot her wallet.
At work.
At work. So not only did her car not start the first day, so we're getting gas, getting her wallet, and then we're going to the beach. Let me see the wallet. Yo, is that an E34 over there, bro? Dang. Let's see if the car starts, because this is the first time we've turned it off since we tried it this morning. Oh, we good. Dear God.
That wasn't gonna be honest.
Alright, so we're in the car. It's really loud. I picked the most summery drink I could find. Arizona fruit punch. Emmy got a Gatorade. We got like an hour and 45 to go. I will see you guys at the beach. All right, we got 53 minutes left. Emmy, you got anything? Emmy's got to pee. Emmy's about to pee herself. actually. It's not a trip to or from Wilmington if somebody doesn't have to be themselves. 53 minutes left. We going to see Chase at his shop, at his job. Then we're probably gonna get some dinner. I'm motherfucking hungry. Oh, damn.
I kind of want like either fish and chips,
Yeah.
or like a nice like deli sandwich slash burger.
I got just the place.
For what?
I'll see you guys when I get there. Fucking unfollowed you and you're like, no, please. I can see that. I saw it because I was at like 4K or something. It went to $3.99.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah. Oh. Guys, we found Baby Camby's Chase out here at work. Go hit him up. His OnlyFans is College Road
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Tire and Auto. I don't know what we're doing. We're going to dinner. You want burgers or seafood?
Burgers.
I kind of want seafood, dude. We're at the beach.
Fish and chips so bad.
Where can we get
If
fresh
you're trying to pay
fish
for
and
my
chips?
food, I'll pay you back. We'll go seafood.
Pay you
People
back?
got $50 till tomorrow night.
$50.
Gross
$50 count
bitch.
until tomorrow night.
Good thing you're driving me out and it's only like $10 to put gas in it.
Yeah, she is empty.
Here, God, and it's empty. I'm gonna have to pay for your fucking gas when you run out.
Shit, go drive it right now.
Why?
You won't.
I will drive it.
You're the only person I think I trust driving my Miata.
I was low once. Here we are about to see Chase destroy his kid in the Miata.
We made a friend!
Oh shit! Flip his lights, flip his lights. Hey yo, shout out to this guy. I don't know if it's an MR2. I don't know if it's a Miata looking thing. But hello friend, how are you doing? He's got the flippy lights so he counts.
Oh, Chase!
Chase just be shitting, whipping around. Oh, we zooming! We zooming! Oh!
Look at the dog.
Can't take Emmy anywhere.
Let's go.
His human is with him. Not
okay.
staring at the dog. Chase, how many of these colors look the same?
That's the same as that.
What is?
These two.
Yeah, that is the same actually.
It's close.
It's the same. Don't do him like that.
Dude, this is green, and that's red.
Hey, I'm just trying to fucking make sure I get the right dog food or else that dog will be shitting everywhere. And you know this, you've been there.
I know. You ready, Emmy? Dang, bro.
You looking on everybody.
He looked on everybody.
Everybody in the club.
Kidding. All right, Chase, what are we doing right now?
Going home.
But then what are we doing?
You have a zoom on there?
No. It's not zoomed right now.
Usually zoom.
There you
You have a
go.
zoom. No?
Yeah, I said it's not zoomed right now. All right, what are we doing?
Going home. Oh, fuck. That's such a good shot.
We're gonna go call CC
And
on the phone and then go to eat dinner.
Seafood. Hey Chase, turn your lights on. Emmy, what do you think of this Miata? I think it's a nice Miata.
It really is embracing the Miata culture.
Are these Miata mirrors?
But every idiot.
I've seen FRSs with them. I've seen these Miatas with them.
Spicy Miata.
I asked Devin if he would take it to dinner tonight, but Devin said no because he's been drinking. So I'm just kidding.
That's
Obviously,
your cue to not drink alcohol, kids. You can't drive race cars.
exactly. And there's no way in hell he's gonna let me drive it. This is Chase's other daily. This is the daily for the daily for the daily. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to dinner. Starving. See you guys in a minute. Kilo, come here. Kilo. Oh.
Your dog's cute.
Fitz Miller here, back with another video.
Thank you, Devin. I knew that was coming at some point. Emmy, what did we find?
A friend.
Yo, Tic Tac, bro. Clean little MB. Chase and Emmy. So we are at the BMW of Wilmington. We're waiting for Cece to go to dinner. Look at these little mini cars. Tiny little baby cars, dude. Both of them are making me want another Miata. We got these big boys with the ugly ass grills. And then my personal favorite, F80 M3. That is what I would buy. It is only $64,000. I'm gonna just drive my Skyline and be happy.
Cece's here. Yeah, you don't want to deal with me.
No,
yeah.
you said anyone, not me. All right, we're getting seafood.
We're getting seafood with Cece.
You better caption what I just said.
What'd you say, Chase? Wow, wow, wow. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
I got a chair. Wow, wow. Hey, your lips messed up. All right, listen up. So we got here, right here, and it's closed. The drive wasn't bad. It was more like 20 minutes, not 30. But we're either going all the way down to Carolina Beach to find more seafood, or there's like a little seafood restaurant on the other side of this one. So we'll see. Emmy?
Hey, King.
Any update?
He's saying it's good, but I'm pretty sure it's expensive.
I'm down for anything seafood. So, little update. See you guys when we get there. Tiny little bitch car, little baby car. Michael's, excuse me. Michael's seafood restaurant it is. We're about to see if it's any good. Emmy just wants fish and chips. I'm starving. Let's go get some seafood. Emmy and I just spent 10 minutes trying to get the soft top back on. Dinner was awesome. I didn't want to film because they had like copyright music and stuff. But we're getting ready to head back to Chase's to hang out. I think Cece's headed back to her house, I think. And then, yeah, we got the top up on the Miata, thank God, finally. So, I don't know if we're driving back tonight. 2 hours, grab a Red Bull or two and hit the road. But I'll update you guys, probably see you guys back at Chase's. Kilo, come here. Kilo, say goodbye. Bye, Kilo. Chase? It's been good. Oh my. It's been good. Okay, yeah, Chase has been good.
Just film that whole thing, but then as soon as my door opens, just blur.
Dear God.
That's why then you hear Jimmy. No.
Chill.
Anime titty women in the background.
Chase would too. Devin. Adios. Had fun. Kilo.
Hasta luego.
Adios. Emmy, you ready to go? All right, let's go.
Bye.
Let's go out the door. I'm just kidding. You guys already know we gotta get some of that gasolina. You know what I'm saying? Now we literally just need gas to get home, so that's what we gonna do. Tell me how gas is almost $3.2 a gallon, bro. Anyways, Emmy has this cool little cap where you can literally just put it in and start filling. So yes, you guys already know. No, I'm just kidding. It's an energy drink. He gave it to me in an alcohol bag. We got the adrenaline shot right here, boys. Fruit punch. Pray for me. All right, Emmy. Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
You had a pretty good day. It was a good spontaneous day. So we're wait. Oh, $20. $20 is a half a tank.
Damn.
It's
it
premium.
cost us
but-
Why do you put premium?
So it runs better. It clears out.
I'll be putting 87 in there.
Okay, that's good. Actually, that's like really good for 0 sugar, 0 calorie. Like I could drink that. That's like Tahitian treat. What do you think? You don't like it or you do like it?
Yummy.
Okay, all right. Like clearly we have different tastes in drinks here, but time to get on the road. See you guys in like 2 hours. All right, boys. It's been a great day. It's a long ass day. It's 2 in the morning and we left for the beach at like 2 in the afternoon. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your recent support. We're almost at 5K. As I'm filming this video, we need 88 more people to subscribe to get to 5K. Big, just massive shout out to Max for grabbing a shirt this evening. Literally made my night, made my day, made my week. Just kind of was getting to a point where I was like, dude, do I keep doing this? Is it worth making shirts? Is it worth, you know, making videos and uploading? Yes, you know, and not for the $25 for the shirt. I could give 2 shits, right? For the fact that somebody is like going so out of their way to like go get a shirt and subscribe and talk to me and hit me up, and that just means so much. And I know all of you guys, like there's so many guys that do this. Max really just like helped so much this evening. So Max, if you're watching this, dude, thank you. Your shirt will be on the way tomorrow. Of course, after I sleep in a little bit, but it will be on the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we'll see you guys in the next video.